G'day, it's Chris, and well, I'm here today with TeslOz doing Power Frunk installations on Tesla Model 3s. Now this video is not designed as a how-to, rather it's just an impressions as to what it looks like to install one of these Power Frunk units. Now this power lift kit is something that you could actually do yourself, but here we've actually got the guys from TeslOz handling the installations. If you're to do one from beginning to end, it'll take at least half an hour to an hour. And Brian from TeslOz recommends that if you were to do it by yourself, that to watch the instructional videos at least a few times before undertaking it yourself. Okay, so well, that was great to see, and I must admit, a good value-add addition to your Tesla Model 3. If you've been thinking about it and you might use your frunk occasionally, somewhat, or all the time, this is definitely something you should do. In terms of utility, it just pushes the car to the next level. You can use your app to open and close. When the frunk's up, you just press a button on the inside and well, down it goes. Conversely, on the screen, you can open it, but unfortunately, it gets grayed out, so you can't close it. But hey, I guess when you've got it there, maybe you're already around the front and you're using it anyhow. So if you want to know some more information about this, check out the link down below to TeslOz. That's where you can actually buy this as well as many other products, including a power lift, vinyl wraps, protectors for your car, and some really awesome gear, which I'll feature on another episode in future. If you enjoyed what you're seeing, please consider subscribing. I cover renewables, batteries, solar, EVs, and more, and particularly from an astronomy perspective. And hey, put a comment down below if you've got questions. Thanks to my awesome Patreons. And if you do nothing, be good and be green.